Welcome back, intelligent investors. My name's Henry, and today we're going to be talking about another SPAC stock. SPAC stands for Special Purpose Acquisition Company, and basically these companies don't have operations or anything like that, but they do have a purpose. Essentially, they exist by acquiring or merging with other companies, and this is why I explained that. Landcadia Holdings, however you pronounce that, I feel like my inner Spanish is coming out, is acquiring Golden Nugget to become the second US pure publicly traded casino. Golden Nugget is a leading online casino gaming company that is indirectly wholly owned by Tillman J. Frittata, and hopefully I pronounce his name right, but I'm not fully sure. But he surprisingly also owns Landcadia. It is considered the market leader by its peers and was the first to bring live dealer and live casino floor to United States online gaming market. So buckle up guys and get ready to fill your pockets with money. I'm about to give you my cheat sheet from the research that I have done so you guys can have a shortcut. Who needs a job when making YouTube videos is this fun? And these stocks are gonna make you rich. By the way, make sure you smash the like button and don't piss off the subscribe button, okay? They have been fighting a lot lately and I am kind of tired of them fighting. Plus, you might as well join the YouTube fam we got going on here. I've worked on Wall Street for a hedge fund and Goldman Sachs, so if you want to learn about stocks, you're at the right place. Here's an image of Golden Nugget's website. And basically, you can play blackjack, roulette, or online slots. They have an app, and they have a few hotels. And they also have this warning and toll-free number, so I know they're probably doing something right. It's gotta feel really bad going to the casino and losing your money. Oh boy, but these casinos do definitely really well in terms of revenue. Here is some of Golden Nugget's online gaming highlights. The two highlights that I like most are that they became profitable in 2016 after only 3 years of operation, and it's really good to see that they pulled in a net income of $11 million in 2019. Not too bad, but a little frothy. Golden Nugget is one of the best positioned companies to capitalize on this massive online gaming opportunity in the US. It's really well established in New Jersey, which has some of the best gambling revenues since a lot of people that live in New York have that monies. And I said New York wrong, I meant New York. But looking at the key transaction terms, Golden Nugget is valued at 6.1 times their estimated 2021 revenue of $122 million. I'll fill you guys in on why this number is a little too high, but how I can justify it. Basically, investors are placing a frothy valuation because this stock is uniquely positioned to not only take advantage of the online trend, but to do so at a higher margin than a traditional casino. Basically, from working on Wall Street, I realized how important margins are for a business. And because Golden Nugget operates a lot of its business online, there aren't so many hard costs and the business can scale easier. At a traditional casino, there are so many more maintenance costs than running an online business. So this pick is really somewhat of a software company, and that's where the big opportunity lies. I mean, we saw with Tesla, Wall Street was all confused and thought that it was just an auto company. Little did they know, Tesla is a software company. Well, that's exactly what I see with Golden Nugget. I might not be the only one getting excited because, as you can see from the chart, the stock is over 40% in just a week. So to see why we're going to speak about online gambling, here's a report of New Jersey online gambling revenue in yellow. That's a 65% growth year over year, and it seems like the only gambling game that I play, which I really don't consider gambling by the way, is poker, and it's up 90%. If you go all in every hand though, you're kind of gambling and you've probably surprised even the best players at some point.
Just want to know if I won one hand in the last 60 hands.
He needs a diamond or a deuce to survive. The river card is a deuce!
Wow. Wins with a pair of deuces, that shouldn't even count.
Alright, let's talk Golden Nugget financials. Here's an image of what the revenues have done since they went into business. That 50% growth is like the Golden Nugget, ratio that I look for. We know Elon Musk expects Tesla to grow at 50% rates, and we have seen what happens to that stock from that projection. Internet gambling is just getting started in the United States, People always need entertainment, and during quarantine, I can definitely see a lot of people saying, F it, let me put my stimulus check and try to double this bad boy. So essentially, this business is essential. It's too fun and it's pandemic proof. Let the cash start rolling in now. Cash flow positive? Check. Growth intact? Check. You subscribed? Check. Let's just have a quick look at the competition. TEV is total enterprise value, and the lower it is, the better, because that means that the company is cheaper. Henry, my man, I'm your subscriber, and it seems like Golden Nugget is at less than half of DraftKings, bro. Yeah, bro, it is. So the run up in the stock is pretty justified, brother. So let's get into the other fun part of this video, and that's what I am doing with this stock. Your friendly dude right here with Goldman Sachs and hedge fund experience is bullish. I mean, it's hard not to be bullish on an internet-based gambling company that has massive growth and has revenue going for it. I mean, it's not just a pipe dream stock. This thing is legit, and Mr. Frittata is a billionaire. So that gives me a little more confidence on the top of the research that I'm presenting to you here, guys. Alright, so I just wanted to take a look at Forbes' website, and what I really noticed that I wanted to point out is Mr. Frittata is actually number 414 on the list. And you guys know there's a Forbes 400. So I bet you this guy right here is gonna hustle and work his butt off because he really wants to be in that prestigious list. Not to mention, he has 4.9 billion net worth. If I had 4.9 billion dollars, I would probably just want to get to 5 just to call it even, you know what I mean? And then looking into Tillman Frittata, he is also the owner of the Houston Rockets. So he's giving me that really good vibe, kind of like Mark Cuban. He seems like that businessman that just wants to be an overall, you know, sports guy. He seems to be really motivated, which I kind of love about the CEO. And we're just gonna look more into this. And okay, Frittata released his first book titled Shut Up and Listen in September, detailing his experience in the dining and entertainment industries. You know what, Mr. Tillman? Or can I just call you Mr. Tillman? I'm sorry if I said that. I will shut up and listen to you if you can make me and my space fam / YouTube fam on YouTube money. I doubt that this guy is merging two companies if he didn't see a really good financial benefit to doing so. So on Monday, I'm probably gonna start selling some of my Tesla stake so I can buy this one. I've gotten some Workhorse and Tortoise acquisition in small quantities, but this is another SPAC that I'm really interested in and looking more into. There is a ton of hype in SPACs right now, but I think it is justified from all the growth that I'm seeing personally. I hope my analysis helped you guys, and if you want to support my channel, I have a Patreon page, and I'm also linking a book from Amazon that really helped me when it comes to investing. Either way, I'm super glad to have you guys join a part of the YouTube fam here, and I can't wait to produce these investing videos for you. Invest safe.